Hello, welcome to this quick severe weather update for the US and Canada. So today it will be just a quick 10-minute video, but we wanted to make this video just to update on some important stuff. So let's see here the severe weather first, because we do have a marginal risk in Louisiana, Mississippi now, practically like right now. And today, a 2% tornado threat, some storms there, wind threat 5%, and hail 5% as well, less than 5%. So be careful there today. Thunderstorms are possible in lower Mississippi Valley, to much of southeast states today and tonight. As strong severe storms may affect parts of southern Louisiana and Mississippi. So be careful there and check the link for severe weather warnings in the description. Tomorrow, Tuesday, still a marginal risk from Florida, Georgia, and parts of Alabama. Still a 2% tornado along all of those areas, so stay alert. Wind 5% in those areas still, and hail no areas. So isolated severe thunderstorms are possible in portions of central and southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and adjacent Florida Panhandle Tuesday. So be careful there for Tuesday, and Wednesday still a marginal risk, actually covering the northeast as well. So this might be mainly for wind, but there might be some small tornado threat as well. So a strong and isolated severe thunderstorms possible along ahead of a cold front mid-Atlantic into Florida Peninsula on Wednesday. So be aware of the storms there Wednesday. So in terms of fire danger, we do have that critical today in California there, and all the way down to San Diego and Los Angeles. So be careful there in the mountains. Stay safe from fire danger. And this is today, right? A high-end critical. Please be careful. But tomorrow there's an extreme. They're extremely critical, and right between Santa Barbara and Los Angeles in those mountains, because the Santa Ana winds, and a critical all the way down to San Diego. So let's see, extremely critical conditions likely going to start today too, because the mountains foothills of Ventura and Los Angeles counties. Overnight recovery is expected to be extremely poor, long duration, critical to extremely critical conditions Monday into Tuesday, so tonight into Tuesday. So please be careful. Some people say that the wind gusts and the conditions there might support some catastrophic fires compared to some very big ones we had in recent years. So please stay safe there, and be careful with active fires, and try not to do anything that might cause a fire. Please be careful and visit here for more information. So in terms of that, there's the her here. Let's see if it has the wind gusts there. So it does have Monday, today's maybe some higher gusts, parts of Southern California into Mexico, but it does have here starting later tonight, has some stronger some 47 mile per gusts, but into tomorrow tomorrow morning it's some 58 mile per gusts, some 46, 53. So be careful there Tuesday. Later in the afternoon, still some 49 mile per gust, some 42 mile per gust. Into Wednesday starts calming down, but please be careful with the strong winds, but especially with the fire potential further south into southernmost California, although it's 74 mile per gust, 66 mile per gust. So please be careful in those other areas too. The humidity is very poor still, especially Ventura County, 9%, 10%, and overnight relieves a little bit, especially on the coast, but still some 14-11% there. So there's a high danger there, fire. So please stay safe. And since this is still the her, let's see the thunderstorms. So shows today those storms in Louisiana there, some severe ones to Mississippi, but tomorrow afternoon, because central Alabama shows more, in Georgia shows that cold front in Louisiana, some stronger storms too, but heavier into Wednesday as well, into northern Florida, South Carolina, and Georgia, as that cold front organizes and leaves some heavy rain throughout the east coast as well, and some snow in the Midwest and parts of the plains behind it, and in Canada as well. So be careful there. And if we have another video out, we might have it on like Wednesday afternoon, most likely. And by then, this front will be already active with the heavy rain in the northeast and the snow. So just stay safe there. Be aware. We might make a more in-depth video for the Caribbean tomorrow afternoon. But just to let you know already, just until Saturday shows more than 165 millimeters in Guatemala, shows more in southern Mexico, so some heavy rain on the back end of this cold front into Cuba, the Bahamas, some more showers because as this front comes down, shows Tuesday, Wednesday, some higher gusts. Mexico, just to alert you now, shows all the way to like 115 km per hour gusts, 111 along the Gulf of Mexico, some very high gusts. Likely there will be some marine warnings there. This goes some breezier conditions in the Caribbean and even to some mountains of Central America because of this front. So be careful all the way through this weekend. Breezier conditions in the Bahamas, Bermuda, and some areas. So please be careful there. The rain will be the same thing crosses Florida, Mexico, and shows some very intense storms in the Yucatan Peninsula, Guatemala, and parts of Mexico with this cold front, even to Cuba and some other areas. So be careful there, and we'll try to have a more in-depth video in the Caribbean tomorrow. But if we can't, you already know what's going on. So be careful. Excessive rainfall still has light risk there today in Louisiana, Mississippi. Be careful on the marginal. Day 2 was light from Alabama to South Carolina. Day 3 as light into the northeast, especially New England, so be careful there. Day 4 nothing still. Day 5 a marginal in California and Oregon. So be careful. The snowfall still shows some in the Rockies today and starting in the northeast and midwest, and some lake effect still on Wednesday and Thursday with the system, and more on the west starting late this weekend to next weekend. So be careful.